Minister of State for Health has expressed commitment of the federal government to boost healthcare financing in line with the Abuja Declaration. At a community outreach program aimed at increasing tuberculosis case finding in Abuja, the minister vied for the allocation of 15% of the national budget to fund the health sector.
We have been able to create the awareness, the presence of Her Excellency, the wife of the President, and also the wife of the Vice President has brought a lot of attention to the question of TB in Nigeria, which the Federal Ministry of Health has been combating. As you know, this is a very, very serious problem in the country, but we are making progress on it. We must be able to improve our capacity to diagnose and treat, and that is what a program like this is about. To create the awareness for people to be aware that there's a problem like that and that they must all participate, all hands must be on deck to approach the solution for this problem. We are going to be trying to ask for 15% of funding for the health sector. We know we will not get there immediately, but we're going to get towards getting 15% more funding to solve the problems in the health sector.
Outreach was graced by the wife of the President, Osaghe Ehanire, who is a global TB ambassador, wife of the Vice President, Mrs. Dolapo Oshimbajo, and other development partners. Mrs. Buhari commissioned the Wellness on Wheel truck donated by KNCV, an NGO, to improve TB diagnosis in communities. She called on Nigerians to test themselves for TB, being one of the world's most deadly diseases.
TB is one of the killer diseases of our time. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to call on all individuals in Nigeria with the history of over 2 weeks of cough and fever to visit the healthcare center that does TB check. The TB screening and treatment is free. So please know your status on TB. Visit the nearest healthcare center to check your status.
The 2019 World TB Day, scheduled for March 24, has the theme "It's Time," with the slogan "End TB in Nigeria, Keep the Promise, Find TB, Treat TB."
It's important for us to again come in here, create the awareness, so that those people who are hiding in their homes that may be suffering from this disease come out to avail themselves of the opportunity of free screening, free testing, as well as free treatment. Every year, while we make a lot of awareness in the community, providing information and education for the people, we see many more people coming out. At least every year, we have increase in the number of cases that we are diagnosing.